Hi, this is Rosie, and welcome to Rosie Reacts. Today I'm going to be reacting to the live version of Epiphany from Jin. So I'm looking forward to this. I love Epiphany. It's one of my favorite BTS songs, and I chose this version because I believe my sister said that the Saudi Arabia live performance is one of her favorites versions, or one of her favorite performances from him. So yeah, I'm gonna do this version. Let's see. It sounds so good. Wow. Wow. He has such a powerful live vocal. Oh, wow. Sorry, he's just hitting those notes so clean and pure and perfect. Um, and I love his pink microphone. Like he's rocking the rhinestone studded pink microphone. Love it. But yeah, wow. Okay, he has mastered the stare down right there. Whew. And they know how to put on a show. Again, I'm so sad that I have to wait until God knows who long goes. Who what? I can't talk. I'm sorry, I really can't talk. God knows how long for the concert to be rescheduled. But I guess that gives me more time to get to know BTS even more and listen to more of their discography. So, you know, gotta look at the positive side and amp up my anticipation, right? So, one day in the future, I will be able to see this live. No, maybe not the specific song because he has a different solo song on the album, but you know what I mean. I'll be able to witness this Beautiful, beautiful stuff for myself. The wait. The wait. Whew. Wait, why are there 30 more seconds? Just listening to the crowd? Man, his voice so powerful and beautiful. It literally like starting to bring make my eyes like misty-eyed. Making me misty-eyed over here. Oh, it was so beautiful. I mean, like, how can you not like BTS? I mean, every member is just so talented.
Look, Limu.
Really?
Someone needs help customizing and
Really?
saving with Liberty Mutual.
Ads?
Oh.
Okay, well, I guess it's over. That was a really fast 30 seconds. Maybe it wasn't 30 seconds and I just miscounted, but that was so beautiful. I love that song, and just like Jungkook with Begin, I think I love this live performance even more than the studio version. It was so powerful. Like, he is an amazing live vocalist, and he really is really great at like belting out those notes and keeping it like pure sounding, and kudos. Good job, Jin. Kim Sok Jin. Okay. So thanks for the recommendation. I will be checking out some more of their videos now, and like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next time.